All right, this is a new but kind of old item in a way. Special thanks to Surfans. Trust your choice, be your own fans, who were nice enough to send me MP3 player. So this is a hi-fi music player, model F20 from Surfans. The front, it's had their logo, of course, and then nothing on the top sides. You know, let's open it up. And so the first thing I'll say in this unboxing video for this MP3 player is 256 gigs is a lot of music. Think of how small an MP3 file is. And this box is just magnificent. I mean, truly a great feeling and durable box. So this just slides right off. Get it off, nah, slide it off, bingo. And there it is, look at that. User's manual and drivers, very different. So let's take this out. It looks, you can scan this code with your camera, which for those of you who may need it, there is the code. If you'd like to scan it or look at the user's manual, you can hopefully take a photo of this with your phone and be able to check that stuff out. So feels very durable. Let's, the bag, wow. 32 gigabyte micro SD card inserted. So it looks like it comes with a micro SD card, but it can support up to 256 gigs. That's gonna be my guess since the sticker said 256, but this sticker says 32 gigabyte micro SD card. Now it's pointing the arrow down here. The micro SD slot is actually right there. It looks like it does charge with micro USB, and then I'm not certain what that other headphone port is. That one's for your regular headphones. Plus, minus, looks like that's a mode. All that turns. Rewind, fast forward. Let's see if it'll turn on for us. Where's our power button? Power button's up top. Hold that down. And there we go. Surfans, trust your choice, be your own fans. Nice little LCD screen there. Not nothing major or huge, but just very nice. The back does not have a screen, although it looks like it would. No screen, just their logo and some information down here. And look at that, now we got our, so we'll go ahead and pick English. And then, yeah, you're able to go through categories and there's system settings and Explorer. So you just click right through and get your music on here. Oh, you can even view it from that list. Very nice. And the quality of this feels really good. Like, I think you could drop this and the way it feels, I don't think you really have an issue. And to include a 32 gig SD card, I mean, that's pretty cool, I think. Let's see what else is in here. Take out that, and that's it for the box. So I guess you don't have to scan that for the, oh well. There is a user's manual in here. Looks like it's in a couple of different languages, giving you a lot of the information you'd need on how to use it. And then of course, last but not least, they include a little foot or two micro USB cable so that you can charge your MP3 player up. So very nice, very different. I know, 20 years ago, this was one of the most popular devices around. I think that they're kind of coming back as parents are starting to not want their kids to have a cell phone. So some of these smaller items that just play music and don't have internet access are kind of becoming popular again because they're able to put the kids' music on here and all they can play is their music. I will say, I noticed that it came with a very good state of charge there. You see, it's almost a full battery. So that part is pretty cool to come with a full battery. So, and an SD card. I really can't beat the SD card. So let me actually look. I want to see what this port is. 15. Line out port. Okay, so this is the headphone jack. You'd plug your headphones into here. I don't think there's any Bluetooth or anything, so you gotta go old school and use headphones. This is a line out port. So you could plug this into your car, you could plug this into your receiver at your house, and with that, you'd be able to play your music off of this into your car or your receiver. So I think that'll do it. I just love that it comes with a little SD card to get you started. I mean, heck, 32 gigs of music is honestly a good bit of music. I mean, that's probably like 300 CDs or something. I mean, a CD's maybe 100 megs, 70 megs, whatever it is. So, you'd get a good, and that's an estimate, but you'd get a good bit of music on this thing. Build quality feels nice. Box is even nice. So can't say anything really bad about it. So again, special thanks to the company for sending this my way so I could do this unboxing to show you guys what you get. 2 thumbs up to them, and I think that will do it for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.